Today, I'm going to be talking about primers, setting powders, and setting sprays. What are they? What do they do? And do you need them? Want to know more? Hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and keep on watching. Simply put, primers create an extra layer between your skin and your makeup. It mostly works to smooth out textures, but depending on what primer you buy, it can illuminate your skin, it can mattify your skin, it can color correct, or it can extend the longevity of your makeup. Now, the most common primers that I've found have been for face and eye, but you can also get primers for your lips and for your mascara. Setting powders are used for absorbing moisture in oily areas of the skin. There are also some setting powders that can deepen the color of your foundation, but typically it's used on foundation and concealer to absorb that extra moisture. Setting sprays work to bond makeup to your skin. What the does that mean? I looked it up. Apparently, setting sprays are made up of polymers and solvents. Now, chemistry was never my strong suit in high school, but essentially, the solvent keeps the polymers from bonding in the can, so when you spray them on your face, the solvents evaporate immediately, leaving the polymers which bond together and form a water-resistant layer on your skin. So now I've answered what are they and what do they do? Do you even need them? If you're happy with the longevity of your makeup and you find that it doesn't wear off on you, or you don't have any major skincare concerns that you feel like prevents you from using your makeup to its full capabilities, you don't need to bother with these products. And there's no exact science when it comes to choosing which product is best for you. I use a setting powder underneath my eye for my concealer because I found that when I just used the concealer, it began to crease and cause wrinkles that weren't there yet. I typically do use primers because I also have a lot of natural redness in my skin, so I like to use the primer to give my foundation that extra boost so that the redness doesn't shine through as much. Setting sprays, I haven't dabbled with too much, but I have a lot of friends who use them, and they've told me that they can't live without them. It's also apparently a really refreshing way to keep your makeup in place on a really hot day. Now, if you're new to makeup and you don't want to spend that money just yet, a dupe for setting powder is baby powder. I have not tried it myself. I only saw this tip online, so user's discretion. But the second dupe I found for setting spray, which is hairspray, I have used before, and I found it worked pretty well. But as I mentioned, if you're curious about these and you feel like you need to try one of these out, there is no one answer for everybody. There is no one size fit all product. It's all down to your skin, your preferences, and what you want out of your makeup. Super short video, but I know this was something that confused me when I first started using makeup, and I wanted you guys to have the information. I hope these tips were at least a little bit helpful and clarified something for you guys. If you made it this far, I really hope they were. So go ahead and like my video, subscribe to my channel, and take it easy. Simply put, primers create a little, and I've been thinking a lot about, hi buddy.